FangBo's return ends in defeat, but the debate is about the serves. The result is simple. FangBo lost to Ankur Bhattacharjee in the final round of qualification at WTT Zagreb 2026 and failed to reach the main draw. But if you look at the discussions after the match, the score is not what many fans are talking about. The real debate centers on the serves. Many viewers felt that several of Ankur's serves appeared hidden from the receiver. On social media and table tennis forums, fans repeatedly pointed out that FangBo seemed uncomfortable reading the ball and that some serves looked questionable from the available camera angles. Several spectators even claimed that FangBo complained to the umpire during the match, but no action was taken. Of course, it is important to be fair. Watching a match through a broadcast camera is very different from standing in the umpire's chair. A serve that looks illegal from one angle may appear completely legal from another. Without slow motion footage from multiple viewpoints, it is difficult to make a definitive judgment. However, this match highlights a reality that many experienced players already know. At every level of table tennis, from local tournaments to international events, players sometimes face serves that are borderline legal or difficult for officials to judge consistently. The service rule is one of the most controversial parts of modern table tennis because visibility can be extremely hard to evaluate in real time. Some fans argued that once FangBo challenged the serves and Ankur adjusted his body position, FangBo began to receive more effectively and won points more comfortably. Whether that interpretation is correct or not, it reflects the impression many viewers had while watching the match. But focusing only on the legality question may miss a bigger lesson. If FangBo intends to continue his comeback, he cannot rely on umpires to solve every service problem. Top players eventually develop practical solutions. They improve their anticipation, adjust their receiving position, study opponents' contact patterns, and learn to deal with uncertainty. In professional table tennis, waiting for an umpire's intervention is often not enough. This is especially true for a player returning after years away from international competition. The game has evolved, the speed is higher, the service and receive battle has become even more sophisticated. Match rhythm, pressure, and decision-making all require readjustment, and that is why I actually see positives in FangBo's performance. Remember, this was not a direct entry into the main draw. He had to fight through multiple qualification rounds. Reaching the last qualifying match in his first WTT appearance after a long absence is already a respectable achievement. The former World Championship silver medalist showed flashes of the quality that once made him one of the most dangerous players in the world.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.